Dreams, I play 2 picking variations and 2 strumming variations. However, if you're a very beginner, I would recommend just starting with 1 strum on each chord. F, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4. And just play this for the entire song until you get used to the feel. Once you can confidently change chords, then you can try something new. So my first picking variation, I hold down F, and from my nose to my toes, I play G, C, E, A. I use my thumb, first finger, second finger, and third finger. Kind of like a claw shape. You pluck your thumb out away from you, and then each of your fingers gently plucks up towards your face. So you can even mute your strings and just practice that motion while watching TV, talking to someone, just trying to do this as often as you can to get used to that feel. And to play it with this song, we play 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. You might prefer to just think 1, 2, 3, 4, wait, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, wait, wait. Here's another option. Now here you go again. Then when I get to the heartbeat, pre-chorus section, I play, which is simply the same as we started with, 1 and 2 and then using my second and third finger, I pluck my bottom 2 strings closest to my toes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So you hear the 3, there's a little wait. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So once you've plucked the string, you change to the next chord. F, G. If this is going too fast for you at any stage, just see my video on how to slow down YouTube videos so that you can practice along at a pace that's comfortable for you. When going into the chorus, at the very end of the pre-chorus, I just do a little strum on my G where I strum downwards, 1 and 2 and 3, and then I give my ukulele a little slap. So 1 and 2 and 3, stop. From there in the chorus, I play the island strum. Which is down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up. You could think of it as being banana, banana. I know some people like to think of it in groups of numbers as well. So there's 1 strum, 2 strums, 3 strums. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. It's not the correct way to count, but whatever works for you to get you strumming along would be great. If you need a little bit of extra help on how to do the island strum, see my video. If you gained anything at all from this video, it would be a great help to me if you can click the subscribe button and give this video a like. If you'd like to receive notifications for future episodes and lessons, don't forget to hit that bell.